Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. I know it has taken a huge amount of time right now since I posted a new video, but I'm back with another one. And yeah, I've been learning on crypto for this past few days, and I wanted to get to know the market more better. So I actually got a profit also as well. Let me just show you the real quick. So if you can see right over here, I made $19,000 in profit. Basically 19.5 if you have the round figure. And my balance before was around 15k, something like that, and now it's 34.5k, we can say as a round figure. And I made 19,000, basically 19.5k in profit, from basically going long on Bitcoin. It was somewhere over here. Let me just mark it for you. It was somewhere around here, and this helped me to get the profit gain right over there. And if you can see, Bitcoin is basically playing right now. If you can see this part, it's basically showing its resistance level right here. We can keep this as the new resistance level, and the support level somewhere right here. So Bitcoin has dropped. If you can see using the Bollinger Band, if you can see, Bitcoin is basically getting oversold right now, and buyers have to get in the market right now. Basically there are very few buyers at the moment, so the price has not been going up. So yeah, we can expect Bitcoin to be in a sideways trend right over here. That's what I think. So if you get a good opportunity to buy or sell, please do so, and don't forget to research your market. Yeah, and stay tuned for new updates. I'll be posting new videos. I won't be stopping to upload videos now. Yeah, and keep grinding.